Alright, adventures. I was going to do a drone flight, but I'm going to wait till we get the new one in. So I did get the brake light fixed on my overland rig. And we have the new truck. I'll give you a walk around. Beautiful truck. We have the gooseneck hitch. Why do I need such a big truck to pull such a small trailer? Because bigger's better, right? Right. Clean. Super clean. We got our merch stuff just popping out all over the place. Madman's Minis drone company, they made that bag there. Oops. But yeah, super nice truck. Love it. This has been a long time due for a win. Thanks to my sister and Derek for making this happen. Stay tuned, guys, because we got good stuff coming to the channel. This week.